So this is the Compliance Companion application. It is an application created for organizations to check whether their policies align with recognized standards or frameworks. The application not only checks if a policy is compliant or not, but it also suggests actions to make the policy compliant. What we see here on the screen is a simple dashboard. It shows the average compliance score of all the policies that have been uploaded, along with the total frameworks and total policies created using the application. Now, if we come to the Frameworks page, we can select and create frameworks that will be used to check these policies against. One of them already uploaded here is the Federal Decree by Law number 33. We can create frameworks by clicking this button, which gives us two options. Create the framework manually, where the user enters all the fields manually. Upload a document, which is much more convenient. In this case, the AI system extracts the necessary features, controls, and statements from the document and generates the framework for us. So let's give this a try. Here we have the ISO 27001 document. We'll upload it to the AI system and see how it performs. Here we can enter the tags for the document. For example, since this is ISO 27001, we can simply add ISO standard. You can add more tags if needed. Let's click on Upload. The AI is now extracting the necessary features and controls from the document. And here it is. The framework has been uploaded successfully. We now have ISO 27001 available. If we open it, we can see the controls listed under each domain. These can be edited or modified if required. Similarly, if we open the Federal Decree Law, we can see the articles listed there, and they can also be modified. Now, let's use one of these frameworks to check a policy. For that, we go to the Policy Comparison section. Here, we can select a new policy. This policy is about the evaluation of an academic program. We'll compare it against the ISO framework, specifically the Governance and Information Security Policies Control. Let's start the comparison. The comparison is now complete. As we can see, the compliance score is 0%. Scrolling down, we see the document view, the uploaded policy document, the extracted content, and the recommendations. In this case, we have 3 recommendations, 2 critical and 1 high. For example, the first critical recommendation relates to Control 5.1 Information Security Policies. The system suggests adding a specific statement to make the policy compliant. Another critical recommendation is for Control 3.67 with additional text suggested. Finally, the high-level recommendation relates to Control 8.9 security requirements, where additional content is suggested. In this application, there are 3 types of suggestions. Add, when the policy does not mention the required control at all. Replace, when existing text can be modified to improve compliance. Remove, when a statement directly goes against the framework requirements. For this example, all recommendations are of the Add type. Now, let's apply all the suggestions to make the policy compliant and generate a detailed report. Here is the report. It shows the summary and the date of audit. It includes a risk assessment overview and highlights the critical actions required. It also attaches the updated document along with the original. In addition, we can also export the modified policy document. This document includes all the accepted changes directly updated within the policy. The exported file also allows us to configure the header, footer, company logo, and page orientation using the Templates page. This makes the final report and updated policy fully customizable to the organization's branding. We also have a side-by-side comparison view where we can clearly see the accepted changes alongside the original document. Finally, in the Settings page, users can manage their credentials and other application settings. And that's the Compliance Companion.